Hey there, welcome to another problem-solving video. Today, we are delving into the intriguing world of UML dependencies. Picture this. A software developer faces a problem where they need to understand the concept of dependency in UML. They wonder how to determine if one class or file truly depends on another. Let's dive deep into this problem and unravel the mystery together. Now, let's talk about the solution to our dependency problem. According to the UML version 2.5.1 specifications, a dependency signifies a supplier-client relationship between model elements. If the modification of a supplier impacts the client elements, then there exists a dependency. In simpler terms, if the semantics of the clients are incomplete without the suppliers, a dependency is present. So, in the examples provided, both class A depending on class B and person.ts depending on animal.ts indicate clear dependencies. Changes to B or deletion of animal.ts would impact A and person.ts, respectively. In summary, understanding dependencies in UML is crucial for ensuring the integrity and functionality of software systems. By grasping the supplier-client relationship between model elements, developers can make informed decisions about their code structure and dependencies. So, next time you're designing a software system, remember the importance of recognizing and managing dependencies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!